Hawk with Cheyenne US Repair, and I'm here to talk about bagging sole machines today. Let's start with the Sole Nova. Really simple. There's a lot of ways that people go about bagging these, but I'm just going to show you the way that I do it. And it's really super easy. Just you have your standard clipcord sleeve. We're already bagged up here on the sleeve, but I'm just gonna show you what I just dropped that right down in. And the way that I like to do it is just take the sleeve about midway to the body of the Sole Nova, and then I'll take barrier film and I'll use that to anchor the sleeve onto the body of the machine, right? And I'll take it right up to the grip there, and then the grip I'll wrap separately with the cohesive grip wrap. And I like to do this because I like to have full movement of my grip unimpeded. Some people will take the sleeve all the way down and just wrap it as one piece, but I don't like this because you get binding and it's a little more of a pain in the butt. So that's what I do with the Sole Nova. And now let's move on to Solterra. Solterra is a little bit more complicated than the pen style to wrap, and I've seen people wrap them with the traditional big square coil machine bags. And I don't like that just because it's flapping around while I'm working, and I like to have my barrier a little tighter on my machine. And I found I was having trouble because the clipcord sleeve that I was using, I was trying to slide over the body of the machine, didn't fit. And so I was coming up with other ways to wrap the body of the machine and attach the clipcord sleeve to the body, and it was pretty complicated. So I have found that not all clipcord sleeves are created equal. And if you get a clipcord sleeve like this one, that's a 5.5 centimeter clipcord sleeve, it's great. It just slides right over, and it's really simple. It's a snug fit, but as you can see, it does slide right on there, and you can just kind of coax it with your thumbs and slide it along. And bring it right down to the fixing nut on the grip there, and you can then secure that with either a rubber band or a piece of tape, and your whole body of your machine is sano and clean, and you can still switch your drive modes between your steady mode and your responsive mode without problem. And now we'll move on to the grip. And these guys, these little grip sleeves are available, and they're great. You can just slide one of those right on, and you can then again secure that with a rubber band or a piece of tape, and you're good to go. Or like I prefer to do is then take the cohesive bandage, and I will wrap that over, because I like the feel while I'm working more than the plastic bag. But this way you have complete adjustability again with your grip and your body, and you're all sano and clean and barrier and ready to go. Thanks for watching. I hope that was helpful. Be sure to check out the other videos in this 8-part series, Cheyenne Service and Repair, and I'll see you next time.